So any devices, at-home devices, or any kind of endermology devices, or manual lymphatic drainage treatments help cellulite. In general, the most effective treatments for cellulite are those that attack different components of cellulite at the same time. For example, one of the latest technologies that I'm really excited about is BodyFX. It's a completely non-invasive radiofrequency treatment that uses suction and delivers a threefold attack on cellulite. And the way it works is, number one, suction pulls on the fibrous bands and stretches them. These are the fibrous bands that dimple the skin. It also improves the lymphatic drainage, and we know that that helps cellulite. Number two is the radiofrequency pulse that targets the fat nodules within the fibrous bands, heats them and melts them. And number three, it's heating the skin. It stimulates collagen in the dermis, it thickens it, and that improves the appearance of the skin overall. It takes about 10 to 20 minutes per area. I typically recommend 6 to 8 treatments, and the results can last for months. And for maintaining a smoother look, I recommend a touch-up every 3 to 4 months. The other two things that have shown to help cellulite as far as treatments, one is lymphatic drainage. We know that improving lymphatic drainage of fluids away from the, let's say, the thighs or the buttocks help with that. And the other thing is some ingredients like caffeine and sugar in masks or scrubs that apply to the skin vasoconstrict and again help drain the fluid away from the skin, improve the appearance of cellulite.